What is going on, everybody? Today we're going to unbox a new flashlight, CWF Micro Arcadian. This is probably one of the most popular flashlights in the upper echelon of flashlights. This is a custom-made flashlight, so yeah, it gets pricey for sure. But the funny thing that I thought was interesting is that so many knife YouTubers, EDC YouTubers have this flashlight and don't ever really discuss it. Other than here and there, there's no real actual close-up reviews of the flashlight. So I really wanted to get it into the channel because I wanted it in my collection too, obviously, but obviously bring to you a little more of a close-up, in-depth look at the flashlight, since very few people even have it. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so this is custom made totally by Charles Wiggins. They are all made one by one at a time, totally custom, and that's why they run around the $450 price mark. So here you can see the total programming aspects that you can pretty much set up. I'm not going to get too much into the detail in this video of the programming aspects. It's pretty common and they're pretty self-explanatory for the most part. We can do a video on that down the road. A lot of these drivers, this has a Chimera driver, and it's very, programming aspects is a lot like the Dragon driver, which they're all extremely popular in the flashlight torch world. So there's not a whole lot of differences overall. Like I said, some of it was custom made by him to fit his specific needs for this flashlight. So there we go. This is a stonewashed finish. It's very, very nicely done. This is obviously the clicker style. There's also a twist style. And this is no slouch of a flashlight. It may be a small flashlight, but it has the power of 650 lumens. So it's definitely no slouch for a extremely small flashlight. And here's your battery. It's a 10440. There we go. Get that in focus. So very, very cool. You know, the whole purpose too of his flashlights too, this very important aspect of the price especially, is that these flashlights are designed to last you a really long time, really as a family heirloom even, and be able to pass them down. Threads are very nice and smooth. So just slide in your battery. Like I said, these are very, very popular in the flashlight EDC community. So there we go. Here's moonlight. Oops, I just turned it off. It's a hard click for turning off. Then you can move through your levels. And as you can see, it's pretty powerful. Even with as much light that I have in this room, it's very powerful. So again, there's your moonlight. So a lot of great options. The driver, simple, and like I said, and you can totally rework it to fit your needs. It can be super simple with just a one click, 50% and so on and so forth. You can totally adjust them to do what you want to do. You can either do turbo, strobe, battery check, bicycle mode, all the typical stuff that will see in a lot of these. So the other aspect of his flashlights too is he's designed a thermal regulation aspects to prevent them from being overworked, because a flashlight this small and this powerful you can really overwork it, and that will ultimately harm its longevity. So just in comparison here, let's Here's a CWF brazen, so you can kind of get an idea roughly of just how big this is. And you're looking at just a little over 3.5 inches. And with the pocket clip, you're looking at about 3/4 of an inch. So very small and very powerful aspect for a flashlight, for sure. So I'm very impressed. I've seen these for a long time. Have really couldn't wait to actually check it out. And there's your strobe modes. So yeah, very cool little powerful flashlight for sure. Definitely look forward to comparing it to other flashlights too that are out in the market. I have a couple more coming in the mail, so be very interesting. But this is a super cool flashlight. Obviously, you know, because of the price, it's definitely for the more serious people that want to collect and actually want to have a flashlight that is passing down. Keep in mind that a lot of flashlights today, they have a lot of nice gadgets and a lot of fancy stuff, but the problem is a lot of that is just more to go wrong. Having like a built-in charging system, it's just more to go wrong. So you have to take it apart and charge the battery separately, but that's because it's going to save the longevity of the flashlight itself. So there you guys go. Just a quick little unboxing of this flashlight from CWF. I hope you had it, guys. Have a great day. Catch you next time. Bye.